Hello everyone! Today, I will show you how to recover lost videos from dashcam with stellar photo recovery software. Dashcams have become an important part of our lives for various reasons, like safety while driving, recording road trips, recording any unforgettable moment, etc. But video loss cases in dashcams are also very common. Watch ahead to know how you can recover lost videos in just a few simple steps. Simply launch Stellar Photo Recovery software and click on Recover Photo, Audio, and Video option. Now connect the dashcam storage media to your computer and select the corresponding drive location from the displayed list of drives. You can also refresh the drive list by clicking on the Refresh option if the external drive is not listed here. Now click on Scan Now option to scan the drive. The software searches for lost or deleted videos from the selected drive and lists down all the files in a tree-like structure. You can also select any particular video for preview after scanning. Select the required videos and click the Recover option. Choose the desired location to save the recovered videos, and you are done! This is how easily you can recover lost or deleted dashcam videos with Stellar Photo Recovery software. So free download this amazing software to bring your lost videos back to life.